What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing something atypical for this channel, and that's kind of a vlog style. I usually don't like vlogging and stuff like that, but it seems kind of appropriate for this video. So what we're doing today is we're gonna go out and explore Long Beach. So I was born and raised in Long Beach. This is my hometown and it's a very beautiful place. So one of my long-term goals is to document and create like a photo book or a photo zine or something like that of Long Beach. And actually a lot of the pictures you guys have seen on this channel already are of Long Beach. So you'll probably be familiar with some of the places I'm going today. But yeah. Alright, so I just picked up coffee, got myself a cappuccino, and I needed a new bag of beans anyways. So yeah, right now we're about to head up somewhere northwest Long Beach area. Typically I don't shoot here too much, generally because it's like a little farther than where I'm used to, but we're gonna try and get some... Wow. The thing you'll know about Long Beach is that it's very diverse, so a lot of streets and stuff vary by the street, and you can go over like one street and the architecture is like completely different. So I saw some houses and stuff like that I want to take pictures of, so we're gonna go over there real quick and get some shots. Alright, we got some decent images there. I didn't want to pull out the X-T4 and get a lot of B-roll because some of these areas can be kind of sketchy, so you don't want to carry like a bunch of cameras around because it's just like you're asking to get robbed, you know? So next stop we're going to is downtown Long Beach, and the situation there is kind of similar, but generally it's broad daylight, so we should be fine. Forgot to mention, but an advantage of the x100v that I'm using right now is that it's so small and it's so stealthy, so it doesn't feel like I'm carrying a super expensive camera out and about. So in these situations it's really useful. So we made it. Downtown Long Beach, if you guys don't know, is generally the area I would come for more street photography like shots, generally because there's a lot of like tall buildings and stuff like that. I don't come here too often. I don't take a lot of pictures here too often just because it's kind of out of the way, there's traffic. But yeah, I plan to take more pictures here because I feel like I can get the standard street shot here. So you guys will see what I mean. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take a few shots and then I'm gonna mount the GoPro and then get more shots of the city and whatnot. Alright, so I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. Overall, it was a pretty good day. I think I got a lot of awesome pictures. I was playing around a lot with the reflections and stuff off the building because that's something I don't usually get to do, but that's a lot of fun. I'm definitely gonna have to shoot more in downtown because it's a lot more lively. There's a lot of awesome shots I can get, and it does give you that kind of street aesthetic, so yeah. If you like this video, go ahead and like the video down below, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.